Let your kingdom come.
With our music ministry, we're really family. The music, it's not about the singing, it's not about the playing.
It's like sweet, sweet honey on my lips. Come on! It's like the sound of a symphony in my ears. That's right.
They're realizing that it's becoming more about depending on each other, listening to each other, building on each other, working as a team, and just striving to do just the best that we can do. We're hardwired, I think, to hear music, to be drawn in by music. And I think music is probably one of the things that really opens our minds, our hearts, everything. They play acoustic guitar, they play bass, they play drums, they play keyboard. Some of these ladies have been playing for years and years and years, and they just step up and take over. And there are other ladies that have, they might be a little rusty, or they may have played once or twice and just have the interest. So the skill levels are absolutely varied, but it's amazing when we all come together. We become one instrument. So that's pretty neat to watch.
I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice and be glad in it.
I love to play, love to sing. I've been playing the keyboard for maybe closing in on 10 years. My husband has been involved in music, I think, since he was born. And so we've been in music together for a little bit over, maybe about 15 years. It's amazing that we get to do life together on the Lane Murray unit and do the thing that we love with the people that we care about.